How may an SLP be declared void? February 18, 2021. February 18, 2021. Hello and welcome, Bertrand Mariot, avocat à la Cour, licensed registered attorney in Luxembourg. This question is interesting in order to determine what has to be included in the limited partnership agreement of a special limited partnership, an SLP, or Société en commandite spéciale, SCSP. Let's see how we may avoid taking any risk in this respect. An SLP may only be declared void for first, if the constitutive document does not contain any indication as to the constitutive document does not contain any indication as to one, the denomination of the partnership, or to its corporate purpose. Second series, if the corporate purpose is unlawful, illicit in French, unlawful or contrary to public policy, ordre public. And third, if the partnership does not include a minimum validly committed and distinct from each other, a general partner, associé commandité, and a limited partner, associé commanditaire. How may an SLP be declared void? And the reference for today, as usual, you can find us on social media, you can connect with us, you can also subscribe to our channel, the YouTube channel Bertrand Mariot Avocat. You can also, if you like what we do, rate us on Apple Podcasts and put a 5-star review. Thank you very much indeed for your support. References for today, Article 320-1, subparagraph 8 of the law of 10 August 1915 on commercial companies as amended. La nullité d'une société en commandite spéciale, so it's in French, of course, 320-1, subparagraph 8. La nullité d'une société en commandite spéciale ne peut être prononcée que dans les cas suivants. Premièrement, si l'acte constitutif ne contient aucune indication au sujet de la dénomination sociale ou de son objet social. Deuxièmement, si l'objet social est illicite ou contraire à l'ordre public. Et troisièmement, si la société ne comprend pas au moins un associé commandité et un associé commanditaire, distincts valablement engagés. Les articles 100-19 et 100-21 s'appliquent. 100-19 à 100-21 s'appliquent. So, Article 320-1, subparagraph 8 of the law of 10 August 1915 on commercial companies as amended. You can also refer to the French article, les cas de nullité d'une SCSP. That was the number 205 for the article 205 and the podcast, and for the video, the YouTube video 194, 12 July 2020, 12 July 2020, Bertrand Mariot. You can also refer to our previous publication, number 325314 for the podcast and the video respectively. And it was domicile and presumption of social administration, SLP, SCSP, February 10, 2021, Bertrand Mariot. We'd like also to mention the contributor Cédric Biosine Avocat and the editor Nikolai Schilling-Law. So today, how may an SLP be declared void? And that's the February 18, 2021. And that's the number 326 for the article and 315 for the video. Thank you very much indeed. Bye-bye.